Crack it up some more, dude.
Just that little bit.
Oh, that's gonna fuck you
Smash
up,
it,
man.
dude. That's gonna hurt.
Smash it up, man.
Oh my god.
Oh, no, I didn't do it yet, man.
No. One more.
You want the butter? Hey,
That was a crazy shit.
Oh shit. I'm bad. Kyle, you do that shit, man.
Kyle's turn.
Oh, look how much he's gonna fucking do.
Nah, is that gonna hurt?
Nah, it's gonna be good.
That's about what he had.
Yeah,
That's a good. Kyle, look at that huge ass piece you have.
That's a rail, bro.
Oh yeah, look, that is fucking huge, Kyle, to put up your nose.
You're not gonna get that up there, dog.
It's gonna just like.
It's just gonna stay stuck.
It's gonna kill you, dude.
Go, boy. Go, boy. Go. There you go.
Inhale it with your mouth.
Come on, suck that bitch.
I got both though.
It's stuck right there in your fucking mouth.
That's it.
I can't get up.
He's still going. Why are you gonna blow that out?
Oh my god.
Dude, I can't handle it. Oh my gosh. I love you, cheesy popcorn. Don't be all fucked up.